Welcome everyone. Today we are checking out the SHARP SDW6757ES Slide-In Dishwasher, a sleek stainless steel dishwasher designed for modern kitchens that balances efficiency and convenience. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this dishwasher at the best price in the market. This dishwasher comes with soil sensors that automatically adjust the wash cycles based on how dirty your dishes are, which means you don't have to guess or manually select cycles. Its heated dry option is faster and more reliable than traditional condensation drying, leaving your plates and glasses ready to use right away. The premium white LED interior lighting not only looks modern, but also allows you to see clearly inside the dishwasher even in dimly lit kitchens. Smooth glide rails make loading and unloading effortless, providing a premium touch to everyday kitchen tasks. For smaller loads, the half-load feature saves water and energy without compromising cleaning performance, while the power wash zone ensures heavily soiled pots and pans get a deep, thorough clean. The responsive wash cycles provide flexibility for different types of dishes and food residues, making it a versatile addition to any household. One of the standout features is the touch panel control that's simple to operate, and it even works with Alexa for smart home convenience. While it's mostly quiet at 45 decibels, some heavier cycles may produce slightly more sound, but it's far from disruptive. Overall, the combination of advanced features, energy efficiency, and thoughtful design makes this dishwasher an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. If you want a dependable, easy-to-use dishwasher that saves time and energy while keeping dishes spotless, this model is worth considering. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description below to grab your SHARP SDW6757ES at the best price and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient kitchen experience.